Alright guys, here's the Valentine cards. Here's the first one. This embossing folder is, I think, hold on, it's Liani Pujol, P-U-J-O-L, I think. I can't read my writing. I wrote it down on here, but isn't that pretty? And it turned out really good. It's not a 3D, but it raises it, you know, just like a regular embossing folder, but it turned out really cute. And this is a heart mesh. No, not, well, it's meshy. Oh God, what is this called? You know what that is. And then this is a flower I had on my desk that I'd made like over a year ago. It's just been sitting there. And then I did a Valentine banner. Oh, and then I had some rub-ons that I wanted to use, and so I put it on this side of the card, and then of course you can write your sentiment on this. And before I give these cards out or give them to somebody, you know, like in a card drive or something, I'll probably stamp a sentiment right here. If I actually give it to somebody, which would have to be my husband because it's got this on it, I would write, instead of stamping a sentiment, I would just write my message. So there's that one. Alright, and this one, I think this one's really cute. These are just some stickers I had in my stash and stuff like this. There's, you know, a little pack of stickers, and I've had it for a long time. I just want to use them up and get some of the stuff out of my stash. And so I used this. This was just paper along with these other papers for the birthday cards and others that I had cut up to the size of the card, and I wanted to use them, and they sat there for weeks. And so I finally got to where I used them, and so this is what I did with this one. And this ribbon is in that same pack with this other one that I, on the previous video, and this was from somebody that sent it to me. I'm so sorry, I don't know who it was because I didn't put my little thing in there for some reason, but thank you, whoever it was. I really love this ribbon and lace stuff. Well, what you can call that, lace? No, not really. Trim. And I don't know if you can see it, but I just did a little tie bow, and you know, I could, like, it's flat on there, but I could like fluff it up. Well, I just pushed it back down. You fluff it up like that, so you get like the 3D bow. And then this, and then I stamped a little heart thing on there. So there's that one. Then I did a 6x6 because I had this as a new die. I say new, it's I've probably had it for, I don't even want to tell you because I guess it's not new, I don't know. Anyway, I think this is a and I'm pretty sure it's a Sue Wilson die. I think that's right. And then again, I used, just like on this one, and you know, actually I just realized all three of these I put this heart on. That didn't even hit me that I did that. Here's the other one, and here's the next one. So here's this one, and this is a die that I've had in my stash for a while, and I just put it on top of that one. And this is a tulle bow with a little bling on there. Isn't that pretty? And this is another embossing folder. Now this embossing folder is a bigger one, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this is a Spellbinders, and it's one of these big, thick white ones. I've had this one for a while too. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Let's see. I could have sworn I saw hearts. Well, what'd I do with it? Oh well, I'm sorry, guy. And I don't even know if it's a Sizzix die. Oh well, I can't find it now. I'm so sorry. If you want to know what that one is, let me know and I'll look it up. But I did this with a punch. And let's see if I got anything on the inside. Yeah, I do. Look at that. I had my Spellbinder heart dies. Well, let me think about this for a second. Yeah. No, because it's not the same kind of heart. I know one of them's a Spellbinders die. I think they both are. But I cut out the red one and then put another die on top of that to cut out this part, and then it's inlay die cutting, and then I just stamped that on there. And then I had a sticker here that I know who gave that to me, and I've had it for probably 6 or 7 years. Miss Sherry gave me this. Anything else? No, so she gave me that. Thank you, Miss Sherry. And this is a rub-on. It's got a lot of things going on in this card. And then this is the Martha Stewart lace punch. So I did that on there. And goodness gracious, I put washi on the back. No, that was an Easter card I'm thinking of. Okay, so I did so many things on this card. Oh, I know why I did that. Okay, so the reason I did that, other than just because it looks cool, is I didn't have a card big enough to do a 6x6. Or not card, a cardstock big enough to do a 6x6, and for some reason, instead of maybe doing another color, because I'm trying to remember what my thought process was on this. This is another. I don't know. I don't think you can hear. Let me see if I can. It may not peel back, but I'll put glue on. I might have put glue on it. I better not peel it off. But this is, I've pieced it together to make the rest of the 6x6 card, base card. And because see, you can tell right here on the inside. Let's see, here it is, right there, and right there. So like this piece is an extension so that I would have enough for this whole 6x6. So I have so much stuff going on in this one card that, because it has love, either I'm going to put it in a card drive of some type or a giveaway or something, because if I give this to my husband, he's not going to appreciate any of the stuff that's on here. So it's got to be some kind of a scrapper, somebody that's not a card maker that would just love all of this, you know. So, okay. Anyway, about this again, I just put, again, this is, I believe, did I do inlay on this one? No. I just cut it out and put one on, cut out the, cut it out on the pink thing and then put the red behind it. That's not an inlay part, but anyway, so I think this one turned out really cute. But even with all the stuff that's on it. Oh my goodness, I'm exhausted. Okay, so these are the Valentine cards. So, let me know what you think about these. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.